Yo ebusia ya san bebiem aha ya Fabulous musomfo ke kobi na matena makunyum no yetena te se ya se de onim na Fabulous kuma se asante kotoko nsem na ye biebiem de ekono de ba nsem no so de bebre na ye bomode nsone so na ye fa ma mo the relevant one se de bia meka nsem ni bi wo ha se bi nwura ba na ya piangu baby na ya ka the relevant stories no e dey mamu ya sha Endra Kumasi Asante Kotoko mutime bo friendly match Kotoko ene Wasaman ewi Kotoko share 4 goals to 2 goal scorers ne Christopher Neti o Shemenu Patrick Asma and so Safu Taylor also share back ho now say the bia make friendly matches are friendly matches, don't take them serious. Friendly matches your opportunity a coach no omo de man no team dey assess some things be opeso hu nti de bia motabo teams are performance ni so nti de bia is likely say Kotoko be winning and anytime say Kotoko be lose friendly matches na enkafe nti na mo afane sa ho coach ni need nti boss are friendly match no nti that's it. Kotoko 4 Wasaman 2. Let's move on to the other stories. Endra we MTN FA Cup draw they say do quarterfinals, that's 8 teams na kanti quarterfinals they do the masa sone so manaka 4 and sign on my son so manaka 2 and sign 2 so masa sone so manaka 1 na say what be champion of the FA Cup 2020-2021 league season no be champion na and rom ye no Kotoko yetimi draw Brecum Chelsea na titi na ma the format aba say Brecum Chelsea no ye sha the ash gold nso be share no po be win no na yakoshia no semi-finals and that is it. So Kotoko versus Brecum Chelsea MTN FA Cup quarter-finals. Now this game I say game wey dey say any game against game wey dey game against and game say bitimi share bitimi a share Brecum Chelsea dey say bitimi share mo yeni abre o chale yeni abre rough. Now let's move on to the other stories. Say the big launch no ba so Endra Asante Kotoko etimi launch the partnership with Southampton no official launch no eba so Wabra Kotoko launch the partnership with UK football club Southampton. I trust you in Soton. Now some of the details women na ponsa den same between to two. I want say partnership with the ideal purpose no is Kotoko ya academy system no. Na ponsa person start the academy system. Purpose of the partnership with Southampton no is to ensure that activities so adakojachi and Kotoko academy system now or na ponsa person de ba no Southampton ebeboa na yetimi ayehye nyoma yi. Don't forget Southampton, they are one of the best soccer academy football clubs for UK. Virgil van Dijk, Theophilus Walcott, Senegal Brandt, Sadio Mane, and say a whole lot of players, Oxlade-Chamberlain. There are some players, say Gareth Bale, say one of Gareth Bale. Into your multi players be brave. Start a partnership with him say ebeboa Kotoko pan. I don't know say we are na why cool. Partnership no academy no nyesa wo ya na why keke ye wo bi mu okrum ha omuso mo academy so de bia hu de ekone de eba omu jesi quite different from the main team jesi basa nti part academy de wo ya academy na why because it is part of the club. It is part of the club and I almost don't see the culture of the club na say into film banner say look at the brass and to main team now you know what is ahead of you, you know what the fans expect and all that into a big project so and now into now person who are come to me on the management or come to me and they need a foreign assistance will be a why be that tried and tested club why je unimu and no into them kofa Southampton now another person the truth just say the partnership with Seek online this online video channel in be Seek or might say YouTube no say the David Obenya couldn't to no omo ene boa Southampton partnership na team ye na Seek na nkasa so na ponsan disclose say o mema Kotoko $100,000 me patronye cedis $100,000 plus products every year and on the Asante Kotoko. No name precise hard working CEO out of nowhere what tries to police some or resist scam Kotoko because Kotoko no man assess Kotoko no any commercial or the co market to sell Kotoko be on top. o de bibi ko se kotoko ya na omo nkofa fa kotoko din ni ton pan no na we ya fa kotoko din di say we say nsem basa but na aposa me say yes your club ni employer and say entity ye emu management na omo ba no omo na omo nya omo nyoma ye contract omo sign na omo sign basa bibi on baby na omo sign basa it was looking like say kotoko no o de ko outside kotonwa enye ye obi of 2 Champions League titles obi a Ghana na waje league kese waje Champions League kese obi a wako Champions League final 7 times what you say bu na ebu achia na mu ye what you say nti na na Ponsa is a hard working CEO ye nyina ye penasem we endorse him say if team no be forever and on ye because nyoma na all ye no o hye kotoko foundation nye o hye na nya basic things be what you say nti na na Ponsa there he's got sense na moma nyina for support entirely chi say dey be ya de nyuma pa o ma sante kotoko nyina betimi ade abem nti and the lunch was very educative and very informative as well nti sensem mebre no do tudwa said video ni bi kra o ha ye ya kire mo yes at the end of this video no mo betimi ahwa ama na dru no ending no ye de some of the videos and some of kind be ebe show amamo that's it nti otu aso akotoko no ye ne Felix Anane and a Ghanaian contract in nsem na sisi abaye nsem basa don't forget say Ghanaian no ono na ofi club consult yi omo di kotoko eni anyansem papa omo di kotoko eni ho na Habib Mohammed nso sanwo ho na Maxwell Baako bai no wo kwa Amekontegbo nso Sony Yakuba on players 1 or 2 be even Richardson new contract here oso sign okoye nyina club consult ko ya omo na chechire omo de omo some signing on fee when to assigning on fee in dia obegine player akọ ntisi ano kotoko any Abdul Ganiu akwa chuma menchi kakra kotoko say they want to retain the boy and give him a new contract but the management club consult kotoko former player Yusuf Chief Sanedano no omo ena omo yes dabi in terms na kotoko ni omo kono omo mpe nti it is hard say omo renew contract no and Abdul Ganiu the contract na be end October this year October the contract in ending until few months to the expiration of the contract until ban sana say wa be free agent obetimi move akọ team opebia free kotoko yenya hwe free until no rumors bi asha say baba say Accra had to folk omoni di omu follow story ne pa omu hwe omu shechiri na omu bomb pie gidigidi na omu sana tutugu club consult assume say omu renew omra so omo quality and experience players omo be call Africa no enti na omo yes ade no so na Felix Anane goalkeeper Felix Anane captain of the side ono so ndie no nsema wa film this year enti no this season why na dream pass kotoko pa de he will move on sign into also had to folk for chiri on so mo three Felix Anane both Felix Anane and Abdul Ganiu no had to folk see omo pe omo tables can turn around and the top 2 players no have to focus up because for Lake or Africa or the African be dada Felix Anane wa Africa sa Abdul Ganiu wa Africa sa have to moko Africa moko bi papa bia moko group stage omo ntimi nko no ma sa betina fi we dey no moko omo be de wa ni pass let's move on so na player Anabila so the manager Alex Agume wa ko grant interview or repana na some kind no very damaging about Coach Mariano Barreto or say Coach Mariano Barreto is sidelining the player and all man bad treatment because player and also player not disrespecting him we unit in chance all man mobile ni be into almost no person catch up to for say if mo person Anabila e cat him dia mo make sure say Coach Mariano Barreto he will not be at the club at the end of the season so not na dia player ntina so ono call dia player the bet na nti on any option Homedia Makotoko say Coach Mariano Barreto say ubia wini ma oni omo player Anabila be kasa cramp no player wini ma oni Anabila be final mo be kasa na cramp is another problem also mmobi and incidents in TCC say ampa obe Anabila biblia coach no ma mmobi na say ansem we nim how to it is ntino e be fan say na would rather say ntino yen shada amfa gidi bibli nkota echiri na Anabila so de watch good he was a fine player but back to the performance na say unshade hu de ko papa nti ono so nti contract issues I hate kotoko my players no Omo person omo be sign him say sign on fee no, but I believe the 9 point say no one players on your mobile no they understand the system no person you know players omo to omo no dey so omo nyina omo person omo beka omo person omo because of sign on fees na or the aba. And one story so I saw say coach the coach or scouting my Ghana IFN coach Ebenezer Sifa ne nsɛm bi a akotoja damaging pa I didn't say so to koka say when Shira say if Kotoko don't stop fighting the system it will be difficult. I can say it will be difficult for them to win anything again. If Kotoko don't stop fighting the system, I can say it will be difficult for them to win anything in Ghana. Hey, I say I didn't hear cast on one shed that's some more League title influence and almost shed and muji fee and or say it will be difficult for Kotoko to win anything in Ghana because they see say we Kotoko we are fighting the system, and if you don't stop fighting the system no say problem tiny bon you need to fight it. Omo ye ne wana munye ni no mo chiachia ne you need to fight it. Omo ka asema you na waje atu na oko. Omo ka asema you na waje atu na oko. You need to fight it. You need to say something. Enti omo say we na anonym tom akoka on Share FM say if Kotoko don't stop fighting the system, I can say it will be difficult for them to win anything in Ghana. Wow. I gotta be say abozigi. Hey, it will be difficult for Kotoko to win anything in Ghana. I say we ngwa so mo tena so. Se Kotoko mpin for mo tena asem we so na a very serious assempa na waka no. So that is it. Yen famous here say ya no pa hot stories about for Asante Kotoko na ya boa no dia bremu no. O ye foforo na wo share subscribe ya man. Ye de nanya ponsa endra launch of Seek no ebeto aso right after this one. Don't forget for Porcupines by Porcupines.
I'd like to thank the fans for their support so far. It's been a hectic season, but they've been with us through thick and thin. It's not over yet. We've still got a game to go. We've still got the FA Cup ahead of us. We've still got a few activities ahead of us. And I would thank you, the Diaspora International Relations Manager, for working so hard together with management and Mary and the Seek team and Southampton for making this possible. I mean, this is an innovative launch that I'm really excited about. You know, when we came into office, one of the key things we wanted to do was to rebrand the club, move it beyond borders again, try and sign partnerships and seek synergies that will take the Kotoko brand beyond the shores of Ghana, like we've always known it to be, to bring in innovative ideas of ways of trying to reach our fans, those in the diaspora, those in Ghana. And Seek is the perfect partnership because not just about the money, the great money they're giving us. And I'd like to announce to the fans that Seek, for every year, for the first part of the partnership, are giving us $100,000 in cash and products, which is great. The cash has gone a long way to help us also with the Arakodachi project, as well as the products they're giving us, which some of you, the fans, are going to benefit. You see our players graciously wearing their headsets and headphones, listening to good music, cooling off before games and after games, all thanks to Seek. The most important thing also about this partnership is the fact that we develop content for our fans, both home and abroad, to enjoy. To bring them closer to the team, because many a times fans feel alienated from the club, they feel far away from the club, and our ambition is to bring the fans and the players close. So things like Time with the CEO, where we get the opportunity to interact with the fans, myself personally, the Players Diary, Fabulous Hour, and many other things that we try to do. I remember when we were playing our Champions League game against Nwadibu in Accra, we tried to broadcast the game live for everybody to view. It's also a way of getting the fans to contribute their quota to the club. And it came at the right time because you know that with COVID around, stadia were closed and it was very difficult to get the fans into the stadium. So we tried to get them to watch our matches through Seek. And going forward, of course, we know that there are broadcast right holders for the Premier League, but there are several other games in terms of our friendly matches, our preseason tour, which we are about to embark on, which Seek is also helping us with. We have our preseason games live on Seek. The fans get to see how we are preparing the team in terms of training sessions, in terms of friendly matches towards the new season. And so it's a fantastic partnership. Then again, Seek made it possible for us to also partner with Southampton, which is a great partnership that we are going to launch right on this program. So I won't delve too deep into it. But some of the content we are going to create is going to cover our partnership with Southampton, the activities we are going to do, being it our coaches going on a tour abroad to have their exchange programs, so attachment with Southampton team coming over to Ghana, having activities with us in terms of the academy projects, the census project, etc. So Seek is the place to go when you want to get exclusive content on Asante Kotoko live. And we're going to continue together with Seek to create beautiful content for our fans. Thank you.
Thank you.